Welcome to our exhaustive report for Thursday, February 26, 2026. We cover the Wall Street Journal's deep dives into global finance and the tech revolution. Nvidia reported a 94% profit increase, easing bubble fears with net income reaching $43 billion on record sales. The industry's appetite for chips grows, with data center hardware accounting for over 91% of Nvidia's total sales this quarter. Samsung's latest Galaxy S26 flagship highlights seamless AI features, from automated Uber calls to advanced photo editing tools. Salesforce reported a profit of $1.87 billion, driven by the rapid adoption of their AI agent product, Agentforce. In our opinion section, we look at how AI-assisted tools are being used to analyze and strengthen teamwork in business environments. Lowe's expects a flat home improvement market in 2026, as consumers remain cautious due to high interest rates and uncertainty. Paramount Global is pursuing a $31 per share bid for Warner Bros. Discovery, aiming to accelerate its streaming goals. Owens Corning reported a $297 million loss, facing challenges in its doors and roofing segments this quarter. American Express has selected 2 World Trade Center for its new global hub, a project set to contribute billions to the local economy. Self-driving tech provider Wave raised $1.2 billion, pushing its valuation to $8.6 billion. United Airlines hit its targets with a fourth quarter profit exceeding $1 billion, despite disruptions from the government shutdown. Our opinion analysis suggests that supply-side drug enforcement often enriches traffickers, proposing legalization and taxation as alternatives. At the Munich Security Conference, Secretary Marco Rubio emphasized conditional alliances based on shared historical and cultural bonds. The confirmation hearing for Surgeon General nominee Dr. Casey Means raised new questions about vaccine recommendations for children. Private asset managers like Apollo and Blackstone have seen shares sink by 30%, signaling a needed market correction. New benchmarks are launching to spotlight the private credit market, helping investors evaluate deal performance in the US and Europe. South Korea's Kospi index broke above 6,000 for the first time, gaining over 40% this year due to the AI boom. Circle Internet reported a profit jump as its USDC stablecoin reached $75.3 billion in total circulation. Banco Santander is expanding its US presence with a $12.3 billion acquisition of regional lender Webster. HSBC is pressing forward with a revamp, aiming for a $1.5 billion cost reduction goal while pivoting resources to Asia. The US trade deficit in goods rose to $1.24 trillion in 2025, driven by a surge in imports. President Trump is weighing higher tariffs for some nations, potentially increasing the global tariff to 15% where appropriate. Lawmakers are pushing for 15 submarine contracts, a $100 billion deal to preserve the health of the submarine industrial base. A new